Hi everyone and welcome. Do you already have a high-level website and want to integrate IDX into it without having to rebuild your entire site? If so, our high-level affiliate program may be exactly what you're looking for. When you become our high-level affiliate, our team can help you integrate IDX into your existing website and create a seamless experience for your visitors. Let me show you a real example of what we can do. This website belongs to one of our clients. It's important to mention that we did not build this website. The client already had their high-level website fully designed and running. They came to us because they wanted to add IDX functionality while maintaining the same branding, design, and user experience across the entire site. Let's start with the Buy page. As you can see, this page includes a property search tool. We also added an interactive Google Maps search widget that allows visitors to search for properties visually on a map. In addition, we added a mortgage calculator widget. Now, let's take a look at the Sell page. On this page, we integrated a Home Valuation widget. This allows homeowners to request an estimate of their property's value directly from the website. Next, let's go back to the home page. One thing you'll notice is that this client chose not to place a property search tool in the Hero section. That's completely fine, because every client has different preferences and marketing strategies. However, we noticed they had several featured areas highlighted on the homepage. To enhance the user experience, we connected those featured areas to custom IDX pages that we created specifically for this website. We'll take a look at those pages in just a moment. For now, let's return to the Buy page and open one of these listings so you can see how the IDX pages look. This is where the IDX Connect service really shines. If you compare the main website to the IDX pages, you'll notice that everything looks consistent. The header is identical. The colors match perfectly. The fonts are the same. The buttons use the same styling and branding as the rest of the website. To visitors, it feels like they're still browsing the original website, even though they're actually viewing IDX-powered pages behind the scenes. That's exactly the experience we want to create. We also customized the property detail pages by adding office information, company branding, logos, and matching call to action buttons. Every element is designed to blend seamlessly with the client's existing website. Here's another feature that many clients love. All of the property details are interactive and clickable. For example, if a visitor is interested in a specific subdivision or neighborhood, they can simply click on it and instantly view all available properties within that area. Let's try it. As you can see, the system immediately displays all active listings in that subdivision. The same functionality works for many other property features as well. For example, if someone wants homes with natural gas heating, they can click on that feature and instantly see all available properties that match that criteria. This creates a more engaging search experience and helps buyers find exactly what they're looking for much faster. Now let's click on New Search and explore some of the other IDX pages. You'll notice that every IDX page maintains the same design language as the website. Whether visitors are using the basic search, advanced search, map search, or viewing listing results, the branding remains consistent throughout the entire experience. Again, the goal is to make the transition between the website and IDX pages completely invisible to the user. Now let's go back to the website and take a look at something else. We noticed that this website included several community links in the footer. To maximize their value, we created dedicated community pages for each location. When visitors click on one of these links, they're taken to what we call a community page. These pages provide a wealth of useful information, including featured listings, the most expensive homes, the most affordable homes, market statistics, interactive maps, and other valuable local information. We also generate AI-powered content for these community pages, helping improve both the user experience and the website's search engine optimization. If you already have a high-level website and would like IDX integrated in a similar way, consider becoming one of our high-level affiliates. We'll help you implement this type of IDX integration at no cost, allowing you to deliver a more complete real estate website solution without additional development work. Thank you for watching this video, and we look forward to helping you grow your business.